Hey YouTube, how you doing? So today we're actually going to unbox two S23 Ultras. So I actually bought this one for myself and this one for my wife. So she got the lavender color, which is part of the standard color set. So the standard colors come in green, phantom black, lavender, and cream. I got one of the Samsung exclusive colors, so they actually come in sky blue, graphite, lime, and red. So I guess that's why the design here is a little bit different on this one. And yeah, let's just jump right into it and open them up. So right away, you can see that the box is pretty slim. On the cover side seems to be some documentation. Okay, so SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and as you know these days, just a cable. So this one happens to be just USB-C to USB-C as opposed to USB-C to USB-A. So make sure you have a compatible charger that takes this, right? And nothing else here. Now, here's the star of the show. Looks like they covered it. Whew. Look at that. That's pretty. So in years past, they typically had a plastic covering, but this one looks like it's solid black. You can see there. So since I had the S21, which I'll show you. So this is the S21. Again, it's one of those Samsung exclusive colors, I believe. So it's like this dark navy blue. So this is what the S21 looks like, right? I used to upgrade every year, but now I do every other year because, as you know, most phones are incremental, right? And so with this new style, they basically moved and consolidated the stylus from the Note series, and so the Note series doesn't exist anymore, and thus last year's S22s integrated the stylus. So the Note and the Ultras kind of combined, hence the rounded edges, a little squared off. Last year the S22s were a little bit more rounded. Now it's a little bit more square, right, as you can see. And so I like this color a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and open mine. So this is mine in sky blue. Yeah, that looks nice. Has this kind of matte back finished, a glass back, aluminum rails, and then let's peel this off. Oh yeah. So let's take a look. Lavender, sky blue. So as of today, February 16th, it seems like the sky blue color is out of stock. So sorry about that. Typically when Samsung allows you to pre-order, I pre-order within the same day or a couple days, because typically the rewards or the trade-ins are pretty strong. So basically Samsung incentivizes loyalty, which I'm okay with. It's all business at the end of the day. Okay, so you can see also that the lenses here are raised, right, as opposed to a camera bump of sorts. Let's get that focus. S21 Ultra, S23 Ultra. Oh yeah, much bigger. So that's the quick unboxing of the S23 Ultra. I'll be setting these up and letting my wife pull off the nice cover there for her own enjoyment. And I'll be back with a follow-up video seeing how these really feel for this generation. Really looking forward to it. Well, thanks for checking out the video. See you in the next one.